Hey, myself Stalin. Today we are going to talk about Tower of Hanoi problem. It's a very interesting problem. Um, the rules of this game is I wanted to move these three discs from Tower 1 to Tower 3 using Tower 2. That's the goal. But if I wanted to move the bottom disc from Tower 1 to Tower 3, then I have to move the remaining, like whatever on top of the bottom disk, I have to move those to tower 2. Then only I can move the bottom disk from tower 1 to tower 3. So if you take, we have n disk, then I have to move n minus 1 disk from tower 1 to tower 3. Then only I can move the remaining one disk from tower 1 to tower 3. Sorry, n minus 1 disk from tower 1 to tower 2. Then only I can um, move the remaining one disk from tower 1 to tower 3. I cannot take multiple disks at the same time. I have only permission to take one disk at a time. Okay, don't think that you can just take all the remaining at one shot and put it in tower 2. No, that's not the rule of the game. The rule of the game is you can only take one disk at a time. Suppose so this is now, forget about this one. So we have this problem to solve. Two disks. So I wanted to move this disk from tower 1 to tower 3. Then I have to move n minus 1 disk to tower 1 to tower 3 first. Okay, so n minus 1 disk is only 1, so I can move from tower 1 to tower 3. Then I can move this to here. I can move this to here. So I just solved off of the problem. What I did was I moved n minus 1 disk from tower 1 to tower 2. Okay, now I can move the bottom disk from tower 1 to tower 3. Now I have to move all the disks from tower 2 to tower 3. Before that I have to move n minus 1 disk from tower 2 to tower 1. Here n minus 1 disk is only 1, so I can just move. I just moved n minus 1 disk from tower 2 to tower 1. Then I can move the bottom disk from tower 2 to tower 3. Okay, then I move from tower 1 to tower 3. I just maintain the same order and I moved only one disk at a time. Okay, that's the idea about the Tower of Hanoi problem. Suppose if we have 4, okay, it becomes a little more complicated. So here n minus 1 disk is 3, okay, then I have to move 3 disks to this guy to move the bottom one to here. So 2 disks, and first I need to do is move from here, 10, 9, so I moved n minus 1 disk from tower 1 to tower 2 so that I can move this disk here. No, this is a new problem. So we just landed into the problem we just solved initially. Alright, I wanted to move 3 disks, all these disks from tower 2 to tower 3. Okay, then I need to move n minus 1 disk to this guy. So first I need to move this, then I have bottom disk moved here. Now I have to solve this problem. I wanted to move tower 1, all the disks in the tower 1 to tower 3. Okay, I want to move the bottom disk from tower 1 to tower 3. Then I need to move the n minus 1 disk from tower 1 to tower 2. N minus 1 disk is here 1. I just move here and then move here and move. Okay, that's it. So let's write a code for this.